Are you some sort of sovereign citizen or something?
No, sir, I do not work for the police. What is up, everybody? Caveman, cammed up Caveman and I are at, where are we?
The West Pasco, I don't even know the name of this.
We're at the West Pasco
Government Center.
Judicial Center Complex in Newport Richey, Florida. Getting ready to appeal a trespass warning from public property. Subscribe to Canned Up Caveman. He's got some good videos, including one video where there was an old man with no pants on. He walked all the way from Wesley Chapel with no pants on, no underwear, nothing. From Wesley Chapel all the way to Dade City, right?
Yes, he had dementia, and he just got government help, and he actually slipped out of the house, and no one notified the people that were supposed to be watching over him. And he was gone for hours, and they didn't even know it.
And how many miles is that? 20 plus, isn't it?
It's close to 20.
20 miles with no pants on.
A cousin of his actually contacted me and thanked me for not revealing his face.
How you guys doing?
How you doing?
Good.
All right, you?
Supervisor of Elections. I noticed they got
Yep.
created some privacy there. So where are we going?
Upstairs. You can take the elevator. I don't do elevators. I'll be that.
You don't do elevators?
Nope.
You scared of them?
No.
Why don't you do elevators? Caveman scared of elevators, everyone. Third floor? Oh, that's funny. The tax collector has, they put huge paper bags over the windows of the tax collector's office here. This is the same office where Rice Krispie and Rogue, the Pasco County Sheriff's deputies, went hands-on, and then Lieutenant Colehorn, which is the best cop I've seen in a while, actually came in and said, no, they're allowed to record in public.
Third floor.
All right. Hi. Why don't you do elevators, bro?
Surprised it went that quick.
Are you scared of elevators for real?
No, I'm not scared of it.
Why don't you go in elevators?
I just don't want to get stuck in it.
You're scared. Look at this view. What a view.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it?
Man, our tax dollars are hooking these people up. Integrity, respect, service, excellence, and innovation. Are we at the wrong place? Oh yeah, this looks familiar from your video. Hi, young lady.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. We're here to drop off an appeal to the trespass warrant. Who did you give it to last time?
They sent someone out. I think it was Jessica.
From what office, though?
The county attorney's office.
Oh, is that where we're at?
Yep.
Let me... Give me 1 second.
Yes, ma'am. Take your time. Appreciate it.
No problem.
You doing okay? Glad to hear it.
Hi, Lori. I have some gentlemen here. They wanted to drop off an appeal.
Trespass
And,
appeal.
What was it again?
Trespass appeal.
Trespassing appeal.
Mm-hmm.
And they said last time they gave one, it was for Jessica. Yeah. Okay.
Cammed up elevator.
Thank you. Alrighty, someone's gonna be right out the head.
Thank you.
Appreciate that. You doing okay?
Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you?
Wonderful. Are you a Floridian?
Yes.
You're a rare breed. Mostly younger people now.
Oh yeah.
Your family from Florida too?
Mostly.
Oh.
Mostly.
It's usually New York, Michigan, or Ohio that comes down
Mhm.
here. Where I play pool, Caveman,
Yeah.
it's like all New Yorkers that come down. And buying up all the property over there. So now, why wouldn't the policy in here be the exact same as it is there? What's so special about the tax collector? And they had that. You saw how they had the windows,
Yeah.
like brown bag covering the whole windows, and they had like 2 people almost standing guard at that table. That's insane, man.
It's under construction right now, the one in this building.
You think, but that's not why they have the paper on the doors, is it?
Oh, I don't know. I didn't get a real good look.
Who is the county attorney?
I don't know his name.
It's a guy.
Yeah.
I don't know what 4-H is, but I'm bored already. You like Greek food?
Greek food's good.
Asking for a friend. You call it a gyro or a gyro? I hear doors.
Yeah. That's a different office.
Oh, that's not her.
No.
That's a tall drink right there. Give me a ladder. Please open the door slowly. Don't get your wiener jammed in there. Sure. Well, that's a good sport. Look at this view. I wouldn't mind a little apartment or something, looking something like this. I wonder what kind of memorial that is. Just like strawberries on a Sunday evening. What does it matter what evening it is?
You gonna help us today?
I'm going to do my best for you. Jessica, neither Jessica nor Sam are here today. I am your assistant, Laurie Skinner.
Hi, Lori.
You were with the other lady that first helped me last time, right?
Very briefly,
Yeah.
I wasn't really involved, but how can I help today?
Yeah, we need to turn in these trespass appeals. We need to get them stamped and dated and signed and copied.
Okay, I can
Well, that's
copy and
simple.
I can stamp. Not in my glove.
Okay.
But I can stamp these, I can make copies for you.
Okay.
I can get your contact information for
It's all on there.
Jessica. Okay, for one of them. Okay, and you have one as
Same
well?
one, yeah.
And I can have one of them reach out. I expect them tomorrow. They're off site all day today.
No problem.
Okay.
Okay, and I will be right back.
We thank you
Alright,
so
thank
much.
You're welcome.
What was your name again?
Lori
Lori.
Skinner.
Okay, thank you.
You're
Skinner,
welcome.
E-R-A-R-D.
Skinner, S-K-I-N-N-E-R. Okay,
We did that.
Appreciate you.
no problem. Be right back.
All right. What's down here?
A few offices. I went down there last time, there was a guy that was acting weird and I made a records request but never got the request yet. It's been like 3 weeks almost
What was the request for?
for the guy's name and salary.
Oh, I think I saw that video.
Yeah.
Everyone's nice here. Man. Get these people to train those people.
Yeah.
And we'll be straight.
The lady that took my records request, she was real nice.
That's good, man.
Yeah, it is.
That's how they should be.
Yeah, well,
Hi, you.
Yeah, she's handling it.
My right hand man.
I think Jessica's
Hmm?
out.
My right hand man.
So she's,
Get in the elevator with me on the way down.
yeah.
All right.
I'm just kidding.
I'm not scared of
You
them.
don't have
I just,
to.
I like taking the stairs.
You know, when I was a kid, I used to think if an elevator is going down, and if you jump right at the last minute,
Alright.
you won't die. But that's no, it don't work that way. What was I watching? I was watching a video today where it was a security guard on the first floor. He was Middle Eastern guy. He was so cool and fist bumping, and anyone says anything about you recording, just call me personally. Here's my personal phone number. And then they go up to like the second or third floor. And the same guy comes out of the elevator and gets right up in the guy's auditor's face, and he's like, "Stop recording in here." The same guy. "Stop recording here." And he goes, "I slap you on the face." He had an accent. And then another auditor comes over and goes, "Did you just threaten to slap him in the face?" And he gets in his face and says, "I'll slap you in the face too." And then he literally goes and kicks the auditor. And then he tries to do a half-ass roundhouse kick.
I think I've seen that one.
And then the auditor literally punches him in the face and knocks him down on the ground. It was wonderful. Like, wow. And they cited him. They didn't arrest him, but they cited him at least. I want to say it was in California. The roundhouse was so funny. It looked like me trying to do a roundhouse. The guy thought he was a martial artist. He even took the steeple.
Crazy. I never know what to expect, man.
And where was it? There was another video I saw today where auditor, they told him he couldn't record. It was in Canada. They told him he couldn't record inside somewhere. So he just walked in there with his phone off, just holding it up. He's like, "I'd like a complaint for him." And then here come 3 cops swarming off from the back, arrest him, put him in cuffs. He's like, "I'm not even recording." So Canada's the same thing. I bet you, unless you leave your house, don't leave your house at all, you're probably on camera at least 10 times a day.
At least.
Watermelon sugar. I think I've dropped like 12 pounds. But I'm ready to eat some pasta, bread, rice, and everything else, even though I can't and shouldn't and won't. I just want to touch you. I just want to touch you. Watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar. My poor wife was telling me, "I'm so glad you're better. My boo, this and that." Today I'm just super energetic, flying around the house, bugging her every 10 minutes. She's like, "Why are you here?" And then she gives me the look on her face, like, she gives me this look like she questions every decision she's ever made in her life, especially marrying me. And then I bite her kneecap and all's well. I'd bite her ankle, but it hurts my back. You know, Deputy Schrock could actually jump up and bite my ankles. If I ever know I'm going to get arrested, I'm going to eat like 50 hot wings and just blow gas in the police car the whole time. I just want to touch you. She's coming. I just want to touch you.
Sorry that it took me a minute.
No problem.
No problem. I usually get the trespass warnings across my desk, and I just wanted to see, and I do not have them yet. So I just want to let you know that. Okay?
You don't have the trespass,
And you're supposed-
the warnings for us?
See, they're required to send it to, I think, 3 different people.
Mm-hmm.
And they have 24 hours to do that. And that's just another thing that the police messed up on, most likely.
Oh, so you don't have nothing for us, is what you're saying?
I don't have it yet.
Okay.
It is sent into our office. It goes through our mail room. So I
Okay.
can't answer, neither can the sheriff's office answer for the mail.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
just telling you, I took the extra time to go through my inbox, my physical inbox, and I don't see it yet. That's all I'm telling you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so
We probably should have attached a copy of it, right?
it would have been helpful, but with Jessica and Sam, between the two of them, I'm sure they'll be able to contact somebody to be able to get a copy. But I just want to let you know that's where it is. And maybe it'll come this afternoon, I don't know. I
Okay.
just wanted to make you aware of that.
Thank you
Okay?
so much, Larry. We appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You as well.
Would the case number help any?
I'm sorry, because I don't have access to their system.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Have
Thank
a
you.
good day.
See you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ashley.
No problem. Have a good one.
You too.
Yeah.
You ready? Should I keep? Yeah, I'm gonna keep recording. Why not? We're definitely allowed to record in the hallway, right?
Yeah.
Just, tripod's nice. Could you just be like this and walk wherever you feel like?
Yeah.
They can't do nothing about it. When we went to Eyes on the State and when we went to Tampa, they had this desk where they're telling everyone to put on masks. I literally just shortened the legs on this and sat on the desk and left it there pointing at him while I went and had a cigarette outside. All right, so our trespass appeal is in. Caveman and I are about to get stuck on this elevator, and I'm gonna get so hungry I'm gonna eat him. What's DH? What the hell's DH?
Basement?
There's a B, basement right there.
Yep.
And what is this? Designated hitter? Dill hole? Oh, that's the dill hole. You press that and you end up in the dill hole. I've been there before, have you?
No.
Liar. You been to Ballsack, Kentucky?
I've never heard of it.
You ever been to Ballsack, Kentucky?
No.
Why is this so fun? Going down. It's our boy Mike Fasana. Is that closed?
Yes.
Yes.
Remodeling.
Or is it? How you guys doing? Just right here?
Mhm.
Administration?
That's it.
Doing okay?
So far.
What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
I work at a tax collector's on the driver. Inspector.
I'm JohnFilax.
Hi, nice to meet you. Very nice to meet you.
Pleasure. All right. Thank you guys.
Gentlemen, be safe.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Post office. I just wanna touch you. I just wanna touch you. I just wanna eat 7 gyros. Tzatziki high. Cucumber sauce high. Don't fall down the stairs, fat boy. All right. I think our work is through here. So you can see this whole complex all over this. Over here, down this whole street is just a
More buildings.
giant. Several blocks. Just giant. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Let's see what happens with this. Hopefully it gets rescinded, and then maybe we could do a mass audit or a staggered audit. What's a staggered audit? Something a commenter thought about and invented. In the meantime, peace and tranquility. Bye.